Hello, good morning. How are you? I am Burke, and you're watching Road Odyssey. Hey, hope y'all are having a fantastic day. Please subscribe below if you don't mind. Appreciate that very much. And as you go through the video, you see something you're thinking about, just give a quick comment. That would also be good. So, this video is about a car show that was in Garland, Texas, past Sunday. So, really cool show, great variety, cars, trucks, classics, new, motorcycle or two, even bicycles. So, really cool stuff, and a lot of great people. I kind of feel like I did more talking than I did, pictures and videos. But, they're all for fun, right? All right, so I saw KD, or Kenneth. He's the gentleman that had the white 2005 Corvette at Gazebo Burgers. Well, this time he had his green Jaguar XK. Very nice car. Also saw Gearge. He was in his black C6 Corvette. To Jeff and Rose. Jeff had his classic muscle car there. Beautiful car. So it was just a really nice environment. It was hot just like it is right now. It's still morning and I am cooking. But we all, like a herd of cattle, just got up under all the awnings in the shade and just tried to relax. The cars were wonderful. I really enjoyed the paint jobs that was on, say, for example, the lowriders, the airbrush and paint, whatever they did. It's just great stuff. Love it. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. Alright, well that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Relax, take it easy, enjoy your drives, and I will see you later. Bye.